We got the new FC-6. We're going to open this up. On the first part, just open it and check it out. Part 2 is going to be hooking it up to the FM3 with all the other stuff and see how well it works, how easy it is to use, and whatnot. Alright, so as with the FM3, it's in 2 boxes, which is cool. Screw it, let's just open it. Here, paperwork. This is well packaged. Kind of feels just like the FM3. Very cool. Here's our quick start guide. Now, online, they have a lot more detailed stuff, and it's readily available. So get this box out of the way. And I have to wonder whether it needs a power supply or not, because I don't see one. Let's try plugging the USB in and see if that makes it. Nope. Who knew? I guess it doesn't come with the power adapter. Maybe the power adapter's under this or something? I kind of feel like it should come with what you need to use it. Pretty anticlimactic. It actually needs a power supply, which isn't included. Don't be too bummed that it doesn't have one, because now you know for me that it doesn't get one. For the price that it is, you would kind of hope that it would come with one. I mean, because it's not cheap. Although it is, you know, it's rock solid like the FM3, but I'm a little disappointed that I can't pull it out of the box and use it unless I have some other stuff that I need to operate it. Maybe it says it and I didn't see that. You know, when it says plug and play, I'm kind of expecting it to come with everything that I need to plug it in and play with it. I was trying to make this kind of a spontaneous thing. Notice in related products, there is no power supply. However, there is an XLR cable you can purchase separately, and that's very cool.